Assalamualaikum students. This is Sumaira Kiran, science teacher. Today we are going to discuss the rest of the topic. Chapter is states of matter. In this lecture we are going discuss to some definitions, diffusions and Brownian movement. Let's come to the definition. Sublimation. Sublimation is a process in which some solids upon heating instead of changing into liquid states are converted directly into gaseous state. Like ammonium chloride, naphthalene, those substances which can directly convert solid to gaseous state. Number second is melting point. The temperature at which solid starts melting is called melting point. Melting of ice into a water. Number third is boiling point. Boiling point to the temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid becomes equal to the external pressure. Students, boiling point those process when inside the pressure and outside the pressure are equal. Number fourth is evaporation. Evaporation of a certain molecule from the surface of a liquid due to increased kinetic energy is called evaporation. The question arises, what is the difference between boiling point and evaporation? So students, evaporation is a surface phenomena, but the boiling point is a complete process. Evaporation, we do not need to require any source of heating, but the boiling point is we required source of heating. In evaporation, bubbles come from the surface, but in boiling point, bubbles do not come throughout the surface. Student, I hope you understand what is the difference between boiling point and evaporation. Next is vaporization. At the boiling point, the temperature of a liquid remains same until all the liquid is evaporated or vaporized throughout the heat. It means in this condition, the rise in a temperature used in the change of state from a liquid to gaseous state. Next is fusion. Fusion is the change of state from solid to liquids, and melting point is called fusion. And last one is 7 is freezing point. The temperature at which liquids convert into solid from called freezing point. Diffusion. It is observed that when a sample of a gas is set free in one part of the closed container, its molecule very quickly spread throughout the container. In some cases, we can smell a gas as it diffuse throughout the closed room. For example, molecule of a perfume spread throughout the room, or smell of H2S gas spread in a laboratory. The statement is the spreading of a substance through the medium like air or liquid is called diffusion. The rate of diffusion of a gas is inversely proportional to the molar mass or density. It means if the mass is greater, the rate of diffusion is smaller. If the density is greater, the rate of diffusion is smaller. The relation between mass and diffusion is inverse relation. A Scottish chemist Thomas Graham say that this law states the rate of a diffusion of a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of its molar mass and density. In other words, lighter gas can diffuse faster than heavier gas. Similarly, rate of diffusion occur in a liquid, but comparatively gaseous rate of diffusion in a liquid is smaller because the molecule of a liquid is closed as compared to the gaseous state. Is Brownian movement. British botanist Robert Brown in 1827, during the movement of pollen grain in water microscope, it stated that a continuous rapid zigzag motion of suspended particles through the medium is called Brownian motion. In some sulfur powder in a water and stir after stirring till the suspended sulfur, some of the sulfur particle very small and they can pass through the pore of filter paper into filtrate. Now put the drop of this filtrate on a slide and examine under a high power microscope. You can see that particles of a sulfur rapidly random motion of zigzag manner is called Brownian motion. This topic is in chemistry book class 9 chapter states of matter page number 98 to 101. I hope student you understand this chapter. Thank you.